Hey guys, so I'm gonna be creating a YouTube channel called Kayla Myers, that's my name, and so I thought a good first video would be slime tutorial. Or if you already know how to make slime, like just watch it, it's awesome. So this is the bowl I'm using. So you need a big bowl, some glue, some shaving foam. If food coloring glitter is optional, but I use them. Hot water and borax, which is right there. And so then glue bowl, you need some hot water and borax, shaving cream, food coloring glitter is optional. I think I'm about saying everything. Oh, and 2 spoons. One to mix the borax and the hot water, and one to mix slime. So first you want to mix, I already have my mixture in here, but you want to mix hot water with borax. So, yeah. And now you want to put the glue in. If you have a bottle of glue, then you put the whole bottle in glue. But if you have a jug, you put in as much as you want. Actually, I think I might want to change my food color. Change it to this light pink. So, I'm just going to sit down. So, shaving cream next. You want to shake it up before you use it. Onto myself. You put in as much shaving cream as you did glue. That doesn't mean you put in the whole bottle of shaving cream. It just means that that you put in, like, if you see the shaving cream, it looks about the same amount as glue. You can stir right here if you don't have food coloring, but if you have food coloring, you can put in like 1, 2, 3 drops. I put in 5 just because I like to, but yeah. And then you just want to stir it. And if you have food coloring, you stir till all the food coloring is mixed and it looks pretty well and there's no white left. Although sometimes there is a couple of white on the side, but I like to get mine fully mixed. It takes a long time. Sorry, my head sometimes doesn't show. It's just because when I stand up, the camera's too tall. So, yeah. I mean, the camera's too short and I'm too tall for the camera. So this is what mine looks like right now. Here. That's what mine looks like. So, sorry that there are some minor mistakes and fingers and all that. This is my first time filming, so yeah. So now we're just gonna add the borax in. So I do like 2 spoonfuls at a time. And then stir. It's turning out pretty good. I'm gonna add more because I know it's in this big clump, but it hasn't got everything off the side yet. So I'm gonna make sure it gets more off the side and it gets less sticky. Magic mixer. I think that's about it for the slime. So slime is turning out good. It's a bit small, but yeah. Like if you want me to do a slime collection. I need to get to 50 likes. Since it's my first time, I just need 50. But yeah, 50 likes. I mean, it's really sticky right now, but that's what's gonna happen. Is it's gonna be sticky, and then the slime's gonna get all over you. It's just a part of slime, and then once the slime gets less sticky, it'll take all the slime off of you, and then we will be able to add some glitter in. Look, it's like I'm shooting a bow and arrow, except I don't have the bow. I have the, wait, no, yeah, I have the arrow, not the bow. Or I'm shooting a rubber band, yeah. So it's almost done. This one's a bit stiff, but not that bad. So now that I put it on the table, I'm gonna remove all this off. I don't think I'm using this glitter either. It's like these pink sparkles. I think I'm gonna use another glitter. So now I'm just gonna stretch up the slime. Oh, that was awesome. This feels super good. You probably couldn't see me say that, but I got it all the way through my head. You maybe could. I don't know. I wasn't looking at the camera because I couldn't see it. Since I didn't use clear glue, y'all couldn't see me. Comment down below if y'all want me to use clear glue next time. And I'll make another slime with clear glue. This is amazing slime. I love it. So one more stretch and then we'll add some glitter. I think I'm gonna add some silver glitter in. My glitter's back there. Bubbles. Sorry, I stand up so much. I'm just so excited. I'll make some slime. Okay, so let me go grab the glitter. Take you with me. Go grab the glitter. So, look. There's my food coloring. See, I have this blue food coloring. I'm just going to show you everything I have for food coloring and glitter. Dark blue food coloring. This red food coloring. It looks pink, but it's actually purple food coloring. This is light green food coloring. Yellow food coloring. This one lost its cat, but it's dark green food coloring because my brother lost its cat. So this is my red glitter, my green glitter, my blue glitter, my silver glitter, and then over here, oh, here's some pink food coloring and my purple glitter. So I think I'm gonna use this silver glitter. It's almost out, but yeah. So there. There we go, that's flat. So the way I add glitter, and the reason I don't add it with the food coloring is because I think it turns out way too chunky. But some people add it and it doesn't turn out chunky. But when I add the glitter, it turns out way too chunky. So this is what the glitter looks like so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it in. So we mix it like that, and you wanna, and then you're gonna stretch it. So yeah, so look. So now I'm gonna stretch it. I didn't add that much glitter in that time. That's because I'm gonna add some more in. So I stretch it and like let the glitter get in, and then I'm gonna add some more in. So what I do is I poke it and then flip it back around to where it's flat. So beautiful. Super glitter. So beautiful. Great. For purple mountains magic above the fruit and wine. So I'm going to give y'all one last look at the slime. It is so beautiful. So give you one last look before I say my final stuff. You can probably see the silver glitter. If not, there is some in there. So now, thanks for watching. Make sure you push that subscribe button, turn on post notification, and if you liked what you saw here, push the like button. I will try to do this things before we start the video from now on, but yeah, so bye.